Waar is mijn meetlat? Mijn meetlint. Blijf daar vasthouden. Lichtlie. 45. Braaf. Good baby. Hi everyone, welcome to this fun new video. In this video I will finally do what the people asked for, because I don't know if you remember, but I made this set in crochet and I designed it myself. And then I asked, before I did the skirt, I did a few polls asking the people what I should do with the remaining yarn, and almost everyone voted on a little vest for Mona, a matching vest. But I was thinking I actually preferred a skirt, so I don't even know why I did the poll. But in this video I will make her matching vest. I don't know if I'll have enough yarn. Let me take out my yarn. Okay, so this is the yarn that I have. I don't know if I have other skeins as well. And I hope it will be enough, but otherwise I'll go to my hobby shop and buy more yarn next week. But today I'm gonna start with designing her little vest, and I just did some measurements as you saw in the intro, and I will look up a pattern online maybe, or a picture of what a vest pattern looks like. And then I'll try to design it in stitch fiddle, and I'll try to show you as much as possible, but I'm also very ill at the moment. Not very ill, but I just have a cold and I feel very gross. And I actually don't want to film today, but I'll try to show you as much as possible of the process. And maybe you can also learn something to make a matching vest for your own pet. So let's get started. So it's a little bit of a mess here. I have a few sweaters here because I'm constantly warm and cold at the same time because I have a cold. And I slept here this night. I might sleep here again if I feel bad again this evening, so that I can sleep upright, if you know what I mean, so that I can breathe. But first I'm gonna start with some tea with honey, in the hope that it fixes my illnesses. It's probably still too hot to drink now, so I'm just gonna pretend like I'm drinking tea. Guys, I found the perfect wiki how to make a harness for your fat cat. So I think I'm gonna follow those instructions, and I also forgot to measure her neck. But I guess her neck is like a general circumference. So let's look at the instructions. So I drew out this, and now I'm thinking if I should do a mock-up first with only one color to see if it actually fits her. Although that will be a lot more work, but I think I'm gonna first maybe make a mock-up. And then I also need to do the ribbing, of course, and I haven't counted that in the pattern, so the ribbing will probably be very small. But yeah, I'm guessing this a little bit. I did use my gauge for the yarn I'm gonna use. Talking about the devil, here she is, the little baby. She doesn't know that in a few hours she's gonna have to fit her vest mock-up, and she's gonna hate it. I haven't mentioned it yet, but I have made a little vest for her, like sewn it before, and when I put it on she just fell to the ground and she was so confused and she hated it. So that's another reason why I didn't want to make a vest for her, but yeah, I mean, you guys really wanted it, so I'm doing this for you guys. She's so cute. Oh my god. Okay guys, you can see Mona here being very peaceful, but after only about two hours I finished up this little vest. I used the two colors. I think I might have just enough to do the smiley pattern as well. I might have to make it a little bit shorter because I don't know if I will have enough yarn. And I'm thinking to maybe make it shorter because I'll have to change colors and that requires a little bit more yarn. You can pick her up. Okay. baby. You're being such a good... Oh my god, baby. Show her to the camera. Oh my god, she's so cute. Baby. How are you feeling in your little jacket?
Will she walk?
Let's do the walk test. She's... Oh my god, baby. Oh my god. She did fall over.
Yeah, but because she... Look at her.
Oh no. She stepped outside of her, but I think it fits. Let's rescue her. First time for a mango break. I probably should have waited a bit longer until it was riper though. Next I transferred my smiley design onto the little vest. During Evict his band practice I crocheted her whole vest besides the ribbing, and it only took me a bit longer than 2 hours. This was such a quick project. It also kind of looks like a tiny bra or top. I did delete some rows and eventually had some yarn left, so it probably wasn't needed to delete rows, but I just wanted to be safe. Guys, today is the day I'm gonna finish off this little vest. It went so quickly to crochet this. I would really recommend you to crochet a little vest for your cat or pet if you want to make something very quickly. What I'm gonna do now, I think I'm first gonna weave in some of the ends, then I'm gonna attach the sides to each other, and then I'm gonna do the ribbing, and then it's actually done, so we can do a little reveal, which will be very cute. Yeah, let's go. This is her new spot. She's laying on my sweater, I think. I think that's my sweater underneath her. While I finish off her vest, I want to talk a bit about Mona. Her nickname is Bean. We adopted her about 3 years ago and she hates other cats. She will fight another cat when she sees one, but she doesn't really go outside as much. We also bought a cat tree for her recently and she won't use it, probably because she's too big. Oh baby! This is the final result. She didn't seem distressed to wear the little vest, so that's good. Yeah, blend. She was very floppy though and kind of uncomfortable, so we took it off after a minute. She also fell over when she was wearing it. That's it for the video. It was a quicker one than usual, but I hope you still enjoyed it. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and check out my other videos as well. I'll see you in next week's video. Bye bye!